Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm just going to show you guys this FR Legends hack and mod. This is going to get you unlimited currency available on iOS and Android. As you guys can see, this is completely working. Doing this on my iPhone right here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, how to install this, and how to get this free plugin, guys. This is going to take only a couple minutes to do, and if you play FR Legends, this is going to be insane. You're going to want to copy this and do exactly what I'm doing. This is a free hack, completely for free, to get you everything in the game. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn on my screen recording and make sure we're all good and ready to go. So what I'm going to do, guys, is head over here. As you guys can see, we've got FR Legends already installed on our device. So what you want to do is make sure you go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update the game, and then we can install the plugin. So head over here to Safari. I'm going to go to the address bar here. Now you can type in any address bar, any single browser. So I'm using Safari because I'm on iPhone. But you guys can go ahead and use like Google Chrome, Firefox, doesn't matter. As long as you can visit a website, it should be good. So we're going to visit this website here called easyplugin.com. So I'm going to spell it out for you. EZYPLUGIN.com. Just replay the video if you can't hear that, but it should go ahead and load the easyplugin.com website. Okay. And yeah, should look like that. Cool. Just press I understand. And then you're just going to go on the Easy Plugin website, just type in on the search bar right there, just type in FR, and you're going to see FR Legends plugin installer for both iOS and Android. That should be it, guys. Just go ahead and tap on that. And then this is where you need to make sure you already have the game installed. Press on Start Install, and that's going to basically go ahead and actually install FR Legends just like that. Super easy, doesn't take too long. It's going to download and install and finish everything all ready to go, so you should be all good. So in order for the FR Legends mod and hack to actually run, you're going to need some additional plugin files. You need 2 to 3 of them, essentially. They're going to be completely for free, so don't worry about that. But on the next page, you will actually see that list of additional plugin files, and there's going to be a YouTube video there. Go ahead and watch the YouTube video. That's going to go ahead and actually show you how to go ahead and get that. Make sure you guys are doing that. It is very important. But once you've watched that YouTube video, you've got 2 to 3 additional plugin files installed on that next page. You simply just go back into FR Legends and everything should be all hacked and mod. As simple as that. Yeah, it doesn't take too long, guys. Like I said, super easy. Unlimited currency in the game, just like that. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you need anything, drop a comment below. I can help you guys out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.